Hello and welcome. My name is Francis. Today we are going to learn how to make GB paint. If this is your first time on this channel, I encourage you to subscribe, press the notification bell to get updates anytime we upload a new video. If you've subscribed already, thank you very much. When you are making your GB paint, these are the ingredients you will need. GB crystal, alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. When you are making your GB paints, you will dissolve your GB crystals with your alcohol and then add some water to it. If you don't like the smell of the alcohol, you are done with the GB paint. Let's get started. I have my alcohol here and then the GB crystals. So I'm going to dissolve the GB crystals with the alcohol. Check the description box for the measurements of the ingredients used. If you don't like the smell of the alcohol, if it is too much for you, you can use water to dilute it.
Do you like this video? If you like the video, I will encourage you to join my WhatsApp group. Pay only 50 Ghana cedis and you'll be added to the group. To learn more about the products, registration, branding and marketing of the product, I will leave the link to the WhatsApp group in the description box. Follow the link to join the WhatsApp group.
This is how you make the GB paint. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for updates. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do remember to like the video and also share with others. We'll meet again.